So we'll be looking at a Chrysler 300 SRT8 6.1 liter Hemi with a differential swapped. To a 391 LSD Getrag from an 09 Challenger SRT manual, right? It's from a manual fit onto this automatic Chrysler 300 SRT8. Now that is unique. A little bit more information from this car straight from the owner of CGR Performance, Christian. This setup's got American racing headers with 2-inch primaries and 3-inch collector, plus CATLESS mids from a HELLCAT. That's from a HELLCAT. This setup can be done without modifications as it does not fit. True enough. Again, this is a 391 LSD Getrag from an 09 Challenger SRT manual. Plus, he has a 3200 high stall torque converter. Great information. Thank you, Christian. That is amazing. Now, if you want a similar setup, hit up CGR Performance. And if you're still not sold on it, just keep watching the video. My man. That's aggressive.
It's great for roll because it picks up quickly. On the highway, you'll be in, if you're doing 120, you'll be at 3,000 RPMs.
I just watched my gas gauge go down.
Miles per gallon, buddy.
Yeah.
So you can see how the gearing is. Like, don't accelerate very quickly, just wait till we move on so we can go straight. Just slow down, nobody's behind. Just go on the speed. Because you're doing 40, it's first gear is 0 to 50. Okay, so it's very short. So if you do 40 rolls, it'll jump down to second gear. So it'll feel sluggish. If you drop down to the bottom, like slow it down. Slow it down, slow it down. Slow it down. Okay, slowly accelerate. Okay, now you're first gear. Now go, punch it.
Very good range, right?
You will top out at 250.
That is pretty good. Not bad.
See how nice it accelerates?
Different car completely.
Yeah, it is. It is. So American Racing long tube headers.
2-inch. It's from a HELLCAT.
It's from a HELLCAT?
Yeah.
Okay.
These are the same part numbers from the HELLCAT. I did this like many years ago.
Yeah.
On my own personal car. That's why I know it. We can do it.
And
I
you
just
guys
went off for it.
And you guys tuned it as well?
Full tune, ready to go.
I just got off for it.
391 rear end from a Challenger. Manual, 6-speed.
Wow. All in one package, eh? That sounds like a deal. It's like combo number 1, man. That's awesome.
A lot of guys don't do this. Like, they don't do this shit. The Gen 1 world is dead. The limitations is the transmission.
Right.
If you had an 8-speed transmission, it's insanely fast. Like right now with headers and this should probably dyno around like just 390 to the wheel. Because stock ones dyno at 360.
Right.
I know because I used to own one.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So anybody that claims any higher numbers from long tubes is like, it's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
But, you know, for example, a guy with the same setup, because you have the 391 rear end, you'll take off quicker.
Yeah. Straight pipes.
Straight pipe, and then you got the.
It's a straight pipe. It's gonna be a 3. It's gonna be turning into a 3 right now. It's only 2.
Yeah. Nice. Woo! I want to see these headers, man. Oh, they're in there. They're in there. You see that?
See them fucking hanging on the bottom. I don't have much clearance.
Oh yeah. Oh, right there, eh? There they are. Look at that. It goes all the way back. That's cool. That's tight, man. That's why there's a lot of labor. Lots of labor. Yeah, there they are. If you guys see that. Seems like American Racing is the one to go. Jeez.